Ever felt like the @ is hiding from you when you need it most? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to type the @ also known as the email @ on both your PC and laptop, ensuring you can correctly input email addresses every time. First, let's cover the standard method on most PC keyboards. The @ is located on the number 2 key to type it. Simply press and hold the Shift key, which is usually located on the left side of your keyboard, and while holding it down, press the 2 key, release both keys. And there you have it, the @ Now, for those with the UK or international keyboard layout, the @ might be on the apostrophe key similar to before. Press and hold the Shift key, and while holding it, press the apostrophe key, that's the key with the single quotation mark. The process is virtually identical on a laptop. Locate the 2 key, press and hold the Shift key, and then press the 2 key. The @ should appear. If the standard method doesn't work, especially on some international keyboards or within certain applications, there's another option. Try pressing and holding the Alt-GR key, usually found to the right of the spacebar, and then press the V key. This combination can sometimes produce the @ And that's it. You now know multiple ways to type the @ on your PC or laptop, so you can confidently enter email addresses and communicate online.